Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix your payment method or your payment could not be sent because we could not verify your identity. So guys, if you're trying to use your Cash App and you're facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till and so guys, first of all open your browser and search here for sport.cashapp. So guys, search here for sport.cashapp and from here open Cash App Sport Center from here, and from here you have to simply call upon this number. So guys, here you can see this, you have to simply dial this number. This is help center number, and then you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Cash App team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.